Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Prakriti Pavani's bikini fashion choices showcase her remarkable sense of style, where she effortlessly blends confidence, elegance, and a flair for the beach-ready aesthetic. Known for her striking looks and fitness, she frequently opts for bold and vibrant bikinis that perfectly complement her toned physique. Whether she's lounging by the pool or enjoying the sun on a tropical beach, her bikini choices often reflect the current trends while maintaining her signature look. The actress is also known to experiment with different cuts and designs, from classic triangle bikinis to high-waisted sets, bandeau tops, and halter neck styles that enhance her curves in a flattering way. Her beach fashion is not only about bikinis, as she also includes stylish cover-ups, flowy sarongs, or sheer kimonos that add a touch of sophistication to her look. These additions create a balanced ensemble, showing off just the right amount of skin while maintaining a chic, polished appearance. Her accessorizing game is always on point as well. She frequently pairs her bikinis with oversized sun hats, trendy sunglasses, and delicate jewelry, such as gold chains, anklets, and subtle bracelets, to elevate her swimwear fashion. Her makeup and hair choices complement her beach vibe perfectly. She often opts for minimal makeup with dewy, bronzed skin, making her look effortlessly radiant. When it comes to hair, Prakriti favors either natural waves or sleek ponytails, adding a playful yet sophisticated edge to her overall appearance. Her ability to mix and match different pieces while playing with colors and patterns makes her stand out in the world of bikini fashion. Whether she's in a solid monochrome bikini for a timeless, elegant look or a vibrant printed set that exudes fun and energy, her choices reflect a keen sense of personal style. She also embraces current fashion trends, often seen in high-cut bikini bottoms that elongate her legs or asymmetrical tops that add a modern twist to her outfits. Whether it's animal prints, florals, or geometric designs, the beauty knows how to select patterns that are bold yet tasteful, ensuring that her look remains both fashionable and appealing. In terms of fabrics, she seems to favor materials that are not only stylish but also practical for beach settings. Quick-dry fabrics, textured swimsuits, and even sustainable options show her commitment to quality and versatility. Her attention to detail, from the fabric choices to the perfect fit, ensures she looks impeccable, whether she's soaking up the sun or enjoying water sports. Her overall bikini fashion conveys an air of effortless glamour mixed with a carefree, adventurous spirit, making her a true inspiration for beach fashion enthusiasts. The actress has truly mastered the art of bikini fashion, embodying the modern, confident woman who is unafraid to showcase her beauty and strength through her stylish, versatile, and always-on-trend swimwear selections. Her bikini fashion choices extend beyond just the basics of swimwear, as she constantly pushes the envelope with fresh and innovative styling ideas. Her wardrobe includes a range of bold cuts that accentuate her athletic physique, such as plunging necklines, strappy details, and high-cut bottoms that elongate her silhouette. She also experiments with unique designs like one-shoulder bikinis or bikini tops with cutouts, adding an element of surprise and intrigue to her beach looks. The actress loves to keep things interesting by experimenting with everything from bold animal prints to intricate crochet designs. These choices reflect her dynamic personality and her ability to adapt to various styles while keeping her look fresh and relevant. For instance, animal prints, such as leopard or zebra patterns, add a fierce, bold statement, while crochet bikinis offer a more bohemian, laid-back vibe, showcasing her versatility in fashion. Her ability to blend comfort with fashion is another notable aspect of her bikini style. She gravitates towards swimwear that allows ease of movement, especially when she's engaged in beach activities like volleyball or paddleboarding. Her choices in sporty bikinis often feature supportive designs, including racerback tops or sports bra-style bikinis that provide both functionality and style. The beauty love for accessorizing continues to elevate her beach ensembles to another level. She often completes her look with fashionable beach bags, whether it's a chic straw tote or a trendy woven handbag, allowing her to carry her essentials in style. Her sunglasses selection is just as varied, ranging from oversized frames for that vintage-inspired glamour to sleek aviators for a more modern, edgy feel. The beauty also frequently incorporates layered necklaces, anklets, and stackable rings, adding a subtle yet impactful touch of sophistication. Her attention to these details shows her innate sense of how the right accessories can enhance even the simplest of bikinis, turning an ordinary beach look into something truly fashionable. Her understanding of different beach settings allows her to adapt her bikini fashion to suit various locations. She embraces vibrant colors and playful patterns that resonate with the lively atmosphere, while for more serene, minimalist beachscapes, she opts for neutral tones or monochromatic sets that exude elegance and tranquility. This versatility ensures that no matter where she is, her bikini choices reflect both her environment and her mood. She has an uncanny ability to balance trend-setting fashion with personal expression, making her a source of inspiration for women looking to create their own signature beach style. Her bikini fashion seamlessly transitions into poolside glamour. Her collection includes luxurious cover-ups like sheer maxi dresses, flowy kaftans, and breezy tunics that add a touch of refinement to her look. These cover-ups not only provide sun protection but also offer a stylish way to move between the beach and casual social settings, making her outfits versatile and chic. Through her confident and unapologetic approach to swimwear, she inspires her followers to embrace their bodies and wear what makes them feel good. Her choices reflect a sense of self-love and empowerment, showing that swimwear fashion is not just about fitting into a mold but about expressing individuality and confidence. By sharing glimpses of her bikini looks on social media, she encourages her audience to break free from conventional standards of beauty and experiment with different styles, regardless of body type or size. She embraces a diversity of looks that not only flatter her body but also showcase her dynamic, multifaceted character. Her adventurous spirit comes alive through her bold fashion statements, whether she's rocking a daring neon bikini that draws all eyes or choosing soft pastel tones for a more understated, romantic vibe. The actress is never afraid to push boundaries, often opting for bikinis with unconventional designs like asymmetric straps, high leg cuts, and intricate ties, which make her stand out in a crowd. These choices reflect her fearless attitude and passion for experimentation, as she constantly evolves her style while staying true to her identity. Her ability to accessorize her swimwear is another hallmark of her impeccable taste. The beauty knows how to elevate a simple bikini with a wide range of accessories that add sophistication and fun. Her go-to choices include oversized straw hats, wide-brimmed sun hats, and chic visors that provide not only sun protection but also a dash of glamour. Even at the beach, she manages to maintain her chic style with trendy flip-flops, beaded sandals, or espadrilles that seamlessly match her swimwear. Whether she's lounging by the pool or exploring beachside towns, Prakriti knows how to create a cohesive, head-to-toe look that is as fashionable as it is functional. In many of her social media posts, the beauty embraces beachwear that also celebrates sustainability, choosing brands that use eco-friendly materials. This aspect of her bikini fashion highlights her awareness of global trends and her commitment to promoting mindful consumption. She often champions swimwear that is made from recycled ocean plastics or other sustainable fabrics, blending her love for the planet with her passion for fashion. This eco-conscious approach adds an extra layer of depth to her bikini choices, showing her followers that it's possible to look stylish while supporting ethical and sustainable brands. Her influence in the space encourages others to make informed fashion decisions, emphasizing the importance of reducing the environmental impact of their wardrobe choices. Her bikini fashion also complements her fitness lifestyle. Known for her toned physique, she often selects swimwear that enhances her natural athleticism. High-performance fabrics that are durable and comfortable for water activities are frequently part of her wardrobe, showcasing her active, adventurous side. Whether she's surfing, swimming, or simply enjoying beach yoga, Prakriti ensures her bikinis are both stylish and functional, striking the perfect balance between looking good and feeling great. This makes her an inspiration for women who want to combine fashion with an active lifestyle, proving that fitness and style can go hand in hand. The versatility of her bikini fashion is one of her greatest strengths. She knows how to dress for different beach environments, from tropical getaways to coastal cities. For a chic, cosmopolitan beachside look, she'll opt for sophisticated bikinis in neutral tones or metallics, often paired with tailored shorts or a sleek kimono. This adaptability allows her to navigate various fashion trends, keeping her style fresh and relevant, no matter the occasion. She knows how to switch between elegant and casual with ease, making her bikini fashion choices an essential part of her overall personal style narrative. Her attention to fit and comfort is evident in her choices. She is known for selecting bikinis that provide ample support while accentuating her natural curves, ensuring that her swimwear not only looks fantastic but also feels comfortable. Whether it's through adjustable straps, padded cups, or well-structured underwire, her bikinis are always tailored to give her a flawless fit. This focus on comfort doesn't sacrifice style, as Prakriti carefully selects pieces that offer both, proving that swimwear can be both beautiful and practical. Her careful consideration of the right fit and fabric allows her to fully enjoy her time at the beach, without the discomfort that often accompanies less thoughtfully designed swimwear. Her confidence radiates through her bikini fashion choices, showing that what she wears is an extension of her self-assurance and body positivity. She has become a symbol of empowerment for her audience, encouraging them to embrace their bodies and feel proud of how they look. Her bikini fashion speaks to a broader message of self-love and acceptance, inspiring others to feel comfortable and empowered in their own skin. By showcasing her bikini looks with such confidence, she helps break down stereotypes about body image and encourages others to step out of their comfort zones and celebrate their uniqueness. And if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.